I'm Wayne Jessup from the Property Bloke. Today I want to discuss with you some home truths. There's a lot of lies out there at the moment that property investment's easy. You can get rich quick in 1, 2, 3 or even 4 years time. That's not true. What I put together in my programs is sure, we can replace your 6-figure income over 5 years, 6 years or 7 years, less if you're more aggressive. But the biggest thing I can tell you is I am not a get rich quick scheme. You will not come into my office, I will not sit with you and tell you tomorrow you're going to be driving around a yacht with a bunch of girls in bikinis. It's just not going to happen. It starts off nice and slow, nice and easy, but you have to hustle. You do have to get stuck into it. Once you go into those chunk deals and beyond, it gets hard work. It becomes a part-time job. All the really successful property investors and developers that are driving around the Ferraris, that's taken them 10, 20, 30 years to put in place. But what I'm going to teach you is just to replace your 6-figure income to get started. Then where you go from there is totally up to yourself. But if you have the passion for property, then property investment is for you. It's not about just money. It's about following your passion with property and getting it together so that long term, you're going to replace your 6-figure income and look back and see what you've put together.